Hey, what's happening? We're going to break down a skater hop today, okay? So, skaters, lots of lateral movement. You're going to pick one leg, balance, stabilize, load it up, okay? Take arms, legs, throw it across to the other side. Stick the landing, balance, stabilize, decelerate, load it up, and jump across, okay? Boom, boom. Okay, stick the landing. If you find yourself jumping across and you're gonna hop around for balance, then I would say you're trying to go too far. I'd rather you go short skaters with solid landing than trying to go too far, hop around, having to touch that other foot down all the time. I want you to stick it, own it, decelerate, reload, and explode out. So here, all together. Okay, skater hop, quick pace, stable, strong, lots of balance and explosiveness. Get after it, have some fun.